What is OMP Send-Path-Limit? OMP Send-Path-Limit is a configuration parameter that defines the maximum number of equal cost routes that a vSmart controller or a VEG router advertises to its OMP peers. By default, the OMP Send-Path-Limit is set to 4, which means that if a vSmart controller has 10 equal cost best paths to a destination, it will only advertise 4 routes to vEdges. Changing the send-path-limit value is as simple as applying one configuration line under the OMP configuration hierarchy, as shown in the output below. OMP send-path-limit configuration example. To demonstrate how the send-path-limit parameter works in the context of the OMP best path algorithm, we are going to use the network devices shown in figure. We have 3 1-edge routers vEdges 1, 2, and 3 that are directly connected to network 10. 1024 in VPN 101 vSmart controller that oversees the SD-WAN domain. We have 3 more vEdge routers vEdges 4, 5, and 6 that will be referred to as the other vEdges. There are 2 WAN transports that are not illustrated in the topology, an Internet cloud and an mpls cloud. vEdge routers 1, 2, and 3 have the following transport attachments. vEdge 1 has 2 local TLOCs. T11 with IP address 39.3.0.1 and marked with the biz internet color. T12 with IP address 10.10.0.1 and marked with the mpls color. vEdge 2 has 2 local TLOCs. T21 with IP address 39.3.0.2 and marked with the biz internet color. T22 with IP address 10.10.0.2 and marked with the mpls color. vEdge 3 has 2 local TLOCs. T31 with IP address 39.3.0.3 and marked with the biz internet color. T32 with IP address 10.10.0.3 and marked with the mpls color. Each vEdge router advertises 2 routes for subnet 10, 1024 in VPN 100 to the vSmart controller, 1 via its biz interface TLOC and 1 via its mpls TLOC. Therefore, the vSmart controller receives 6 OMP routes for 10, 1024. All routes have identical values for add to 50, OMP preference O, TLOC preference O, origin type connected, and origin metric 1. Given this information, try to answer the following question, having in mind that everything else is by default and there is no policy applied on vSmart. Which routes will the vSmart controller choose as best for prefix 10, 1024? Which routes will the vSmart controller advertise to the other VEG routers in the SD-WAN domain? Which ones will the controller advertise to the other VEGs if we change the default send-path-limit value to 5? Which routes for 10, 1024 will the other VEGs install in their forwarding table fib? Answers are given in second part of the video.